In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create custom trading signals, scalping strategies in Tradingview. Start by opening your chart to the market and time frame you want to scalp. Many traders prefer 1 to 5 minute charts for quick opportunities, but choose what suits your style and liquidity. Make sure your chart is clean and that your session and time zone settings are correct, so your candles align with the hours you actually trade. Next, open the Pine editor at the bottom of the Tradingview interface. Select Create New, then choose Strategy. This sets you up to write Pine script v6 that can place hypothetical trades and automatically track results. A quick note, a strategy can simulate entries and exits for backtesting, while a study only plots indicators. Ensure your script uses version 6 and is set to overlay on your chart, so signals appear on price. Now define your core logic. For scalping momentum or exhaustion, a reliable building block is the smash bar. Think of it as a decisive candle that closes beyond a key level. For longs, a close above the previous bar's high. For shorts, a close below the previous bar's low. To filter out random spikes, add a confirmation breakout. Only consider a trade if price subsequently pushes beyond the extreme of that smash bar. This 1-2 punch helps you catch strong moves while avoiding many head fakes. With the foundation set, layer in indicators to raise the probability of each signal. Use a fast EMA to define trend direction. For example, only take long signals when price is above the EMA and short signals when it's below. Add RSI to gauge overbought or oversold conditions rather than blindly fading. Look for momentum aligning with your smash bar and confirmation, such as RSI recovering from oversold on longs or easing from overbought on shorts. Finally, use ATR to size dynamic exits. ATR reflects current volatility, so set a stop loss and take profit as multiples of ATR tight enough for scalping, but wide enough to avoid normal noise. This can also adapt across symbols and sessions without constant retuning. Once your entries and exits are coded, apply the strategy and open the strategy tester. Review net profit, maximum drawdown, and percentage of profitable trades and glance at the equity curve for smoothness. Optimize by adjusting EMA length, RSI thresholds, and ATR multiples to balance win rate and reward to risk. Keep your settings realistic by adding commission and slippage in the Properties panel. Validate on multiple symbols and timeframes to reduce overfitting, and prioritize robustness over perfection. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.